What's up, fam? This is your boy El Jefe, and these are the Soundcore Life 2 active noise canceling headphones. Now, I'm here to tell you guys whether or not these are worth picking up, or if you should just go for the big brother, the Soundcore Space NCs. So the Life 2s, they run you $79.99 right now on Amazon.com. The Soundcore Space NCs, $99.99. And I'll leave links to both of those in the description box down below. Make sure you guys check that out. Now, before we go any further, and for full disclosure, I went ahead and bought these Soundcore Life 2 headphones for myself with my own money for the purposes of this review. And the reason I did this is because a subscriber made the suggestion to me, and I was intrigued by it. I hadn't heard that Soundcore was putting out a new headphone, not sure why, but they told me, I found them, I bought them, and now I'm testing them out for you guys. So with that said, let's jump right into it. Now, the first question out the gate is always going to be sound quality. So as far as sound quality goes, these do have high res audio, so it sounds very good. But the way that they're tuned, very rich sound, regardless of the type of genre of music that you're listening to. But they're not overly loud. So as far as volume goes, they are a bit limited as far as that goes. And the reason I say that is I don't want to listen to them at max volume. I'm not trying to hurt my hearing. I just like having that extra range of volume. So in case there's low dialogue on a TV show or a movie I'm watching, I want to be able to turn them up so that I can make sure I can hear it. So as far as that goes, that's one of the little gripes that I have with it. Secondly, the bass could be a little bit deeper. I did give them a chance to, break in, give them a 24-hour burning period. The bass is good, but I think it could be better. Maybe it's just because I like, the extra bass headphones. And they do have what they call the bass up feature, where you click the play button twice and it turns on this like bass boosted mode. It's okay, but it's just not, I don't know. I prefer listening to them without it on because it seems to really muddy the rest of the frequency. So it's a feature that I would probably just not really mess with if I were you. Secondly, the noise cancellation. So the active noise cancellation on these, I would say, is on par with the Soundcore Space NCs, which is to say that it is at the very top of active noise canceling headphones that you can get for under $100. At $80 for these ANC cans, it's a great deal. The active noise cancellation works like a charm. Firstly, because the passive noise cancellation is good. These earmuffs right here, they tune out a lot of the, just ambient noise. When you turn the active noise cancellation on, you're not going to block out voices or like babies crying and things like that, but all the ambient noise just gets sucked out. And if you have music on and stuff, you're not hearing anything. So that's a great feature. It works well. It worked well on the Soundcore Space NCs, so it works well on these as well. So as far as the noise canceling goes, it's going to be a tie between these two. Comfort, same thing. It's going to be a tie because they're, for the most part, built the same. High quality build, aluminum, plastic, everything is good. The fit and finish is perfect. I mean, these look really good. The styling on them, I really like. The black with like the subtle logos and things on the side, really nice. So as far as that goes, build and comfort, they're going to be tied up as far as that goes. Battery life, same thing. Usually they get anywhere from 25 to 30 hours. This is more of a first impressions type video, and I haven't had a chance to do the full battery testing, but I have yet to have any of the Soundcore products or any of Anker's products give me any sort of battery life problems. Has not happened. I doubt it ever will happen. So I can confidently say that you're going to get the battery life that they are advertising. So just to make things quick, if you had to take the choice, if I'm going to make the choice and say, hey, which one should you get? Should you get the Soundcore Life 2 or should you get the Soundcore Space NC? For pure audio, I'm going to choose the Soundcore Space NC still. I think they are worth the extra $20. So, and the reason I'm saying this, there's a bit more volume on the Space NCs and the bass is better. I'm not sure if they're using different drivers or what the deal is, but overall, the sound quality of the Space NCs it's like a step above these. You can hear the difference, you can tell the difference, and to me, that's worth the extra $20. Not saying that these are bad. These are not bad headphones. These are actually really, really good cans, but the Space NCs are just that much better. So whichever way you go, you're not losing. But if you have the extra $20 to spend, I would go with the Space NCs. That's my personal opinion. So with that said, I'm going to wrap this up right here. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. And if you guys have any other suggestions of headphones that are, under $100 with active noise canceling, drop them down in the comment section, man. You guys know I love your suggestions. And as always, if you guys like this video, go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys didn't like this video, go ahead and hit that dislike button. There's always one or two of you out there, and I don't want you feeling left out. And if you haven't done so already, consider joining the fam. Hit that subscribe button along with that small notification bell, and this way you never miss any of my weekly videos. So with all that said, I hope everybody has a great week. I hope I brought you guys some good value today, and I will see you guys in the next video.